No trip is without a little bit of fallacy or breakage. This one's pretty minor, but kind of does put a halt on things, and that is the swing arm latch U-bolt just snapped. I was getting ready. We're in the evening hours now. I was getting ready this morning, loading up the Jeep, popped it on, heard a pop noise, looked down here, realized everything was a lot looser than it should be, and after opening it up, realized that the U-bolt just snapped right there. And mental note, no place in Moab or in Grand Junction, which is about an hour and a half, 2 hour drive outside of Moab, probably the closest, largest town, has a latch like this. I went to Ace Hardware, True Value, Lowe's, looked at Home Depot's website before I went there, nothing. Walmart, nothing. Auto parts store, nothing. Nobody has anything like this. So I will be carrying a spare one of these from this point forward. And what I hope to do here is possibly just recreate this U-bolt. I could not find a U-bolt exactly like this one, so I am just going to see if I can't bend some all thread to get it to work. We'll see. Oh. Since I was at hardware stores, I got a rod all thread. I got a U-bolt that's close, but clearly too wide. So that's probably not going to work. See how this fits relatively snugly, minimal up and down movement. And what I think will happen here is you get it on there, then these will bend out of shape, and then it just won't function quite as well. I don't know. This will likely work. Something to that effect. Or got a couple of these guys, something like that might work. Or one of each. I don't know. Anyway, we're just gonna see what we can do. new, there we go. New locking nuts, nylon nuts, at the hardware store. These gloves make it hard to pick up small things. There, found them. Haha. Let's see if this terrible idea actually works. Man. Oh. Forgot, need a nut on the back side. Oh, wow, that's crazy. Okay. Alright, so now I should be able to maybe. Whoa! Get things centered as best I can. And the nuts down. Ooh, just a hair more. There. I think it's good. Yeah. Okay. Run these arms down. Lock them on. Yeah. Gosh. Piston. Didn't record any of this. Here we go. It's much more sloppy than the other one, for sure. Well, oh. A little wider than I wanted it, but it seems like it's going to work. I might have to tighten it again after that bolt stretches a little bit, but this will stretch a little bit. Ultimately, I think that's why the other one failed. Just stretched too much. All right, well, fixed for now. So thanks for watching my misery. Till next time.